Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn down the volume on Mac. First, on my previous laptop, I was using those buttons. Not those buttons. I was using this button. I was using this F12 button to turn down the volume and F12 to turn up the volume. Those buttons are next to the power button on the top right side of your keyboard. When you click on those buttons, for example, I will click on the F12. I am now clicking the F12 button, and now I was to turn down the volume. I am now clicking the F11 button, and F12 to turn up the volume. Another way, and just a super trick that you should know about MacBooks is that if, as you see now, this is how I turn down the volume normally. It goes 1 bit per time. If you want to hear, sometimes I want to hear just slight volume up, but when I click with one click on the turn up volume, it is too much for me. If I want to slightly turn it up or down, hit or hold the option button on your keyboard and shift, and just a single click of turning up or down, it is slightly turns down the volume, as you see. So for example, this stage of volume is not possible with the normal up and down, but when you hold option and volume and shift, let's redo it, option and shift and up or down, now it goes slightly up and slightly down. Another way to turn down the volume on a Mac is by using this volume icon from here. Same thing. You can turn the volume up and down using this slider. If you don't see this volume icon on your menu bar here on the top, simply click on this little Apple icon, select System Settings, and first you will land on the General tab or page. Click on Control Center, and here look for Sound. This is it. Next to it, select Always Show in Menu Bar. If you don't see it, this means it is set to don't show in the menu bar, no volume icon here. And if you go with Always Show in Menu Bar, you will see it here. And this is how to turn down the volume on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.